welcome back to the second part of the Jetski project. I got the Jetski fully assembled the rest of the way. Basically, I just put like the intake and exhaust stuff on. The engine was already complete. But got it all reassembled. Picked up a battery, put that in it, and got some gas and oil, so it's ready to go. I'm gonna take it to the lake and give it a test drive. Make sure she's running good. Try to get her broken in with a new motor. But yeah, it should be ready to go, and the next clip will be down at the lake and giving her a rip. All right, got her in the water. Get her fired up, take her for a spin, see how she does. I'm gonna switch over to the GoPro, so the video quality won't be as good, but it'll be easier to film and keep my phone from getting wet. So all right, so initially it's running a little bit rough. The big issue is I'm running a lot of oil because there's a new engine and I wasn't sure that the oil system worked, so I have premix running through it as well. But it's running fine. At lower RPMs it'll start to like miss a little bit and break up a little bit, but overall it's running all right. The big issue I think is all the extra oil, so it's fouling the plugs relatively quickly. So I ride it around for a bit like this, and what you can see. All right, well, she rips, but she doesn't want to run it idle or like sit there really. So I got a new set of plugs. When I first started and ran it a bit, I was running pretty rich premix and the oil squirter just because I wanted to make sure I had a ton of oil for break-in. I think I fouled those plugs pretty bad, so I'm gonna throw some new ones in, and I'm hoping it'll idle better, so we'll see. I'm just gonna throw these in off camera and then we'll see how it looks. Alright, so the new plugs made a big difference. Ski's running significantly better. It's revving all the way out to the full RPM range. It's not breaking up at the lower speeds. Still not idling amazing, so I will do some fine tuning off camera just to kind of dial the carbs in. But for the most part, it's running great, completely rideable. And so yeah, that's a wrap for this video. I appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I will continue to be posting more content like this, hopefully getting better and better. But anyway, thank you for watching.